contest is supported by ParkAvenueCoffee.com. This company is co-owned by our own Marilyn Skull, a big supporter of our YouTube channel as well as many others. Visit her website today and order a gooey butter cake like we did or some merchandise. Marilyn, we appreciate your support. ParkAvenueCoffee.com.
Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and I'm back today with this awesome cheeseburger in a can. This cheeseburger in a can was sent to me by Nathan's MRE. I'm sure everybody's familiar with his channel. If not, please go to his channel, subscribe, like his videos, ring the bell. I'll put a link in the description. So a little bit about this. It's got it written in English, and there's a lot of stuff inside here. Citric acid and just all kinds of stuff that I can't even pronounce. So basically, it says it's 42% beef, and it has cheese and ketchup. And check that out. The expiration date is May 31st, 2019. And this thing weighs in at 165 grams or 9.8 ounces. And if you remember, we did the review on the Trekkenburger. And the Trekkenburger, it says it has beef, cheese, onions, cucumbers, mustard, ketchup. Weighs 100 grams or 8.1 ounces. And it has an expiration date of September the 10th, 2019. And you can see they're both about the same diameter, but the other cheeseburger, the Trekkenburger, is a lot shorter. So let's open this up and see what we have.
Hey, this is a contest video. Your prize? One of these French snack boxes, one of our customs rations. Everything's inside except the main. Good luck.
Now this is pretty cool. Now this is a lot different from the Trekkenburger. If you remember, the Trekkenburger is supposed to be open from the bottom. Then you pull the top, and then it just slides right over right out of the burger slides out of the can. What am I trying to say here? So this appears to be a little different. Has something like wax paper. It's got a couple of oxygen absorbers in the bottom here. And the burger is kind of moist. So let's see what we have here. It doesn't look, well, I was gonna say it doesn't look that bad, but it all depends on what your definition of good is. But it looks like it has tomatoes and some onions in here, and ketchup. And it looks like the cheese is on the bottom. So let me cut this open, see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. It looks like the meat is a little bit red. I'm not sure if that's raw or if that's food coloring. But you look, there's cheese on the top and cheese on the bottom. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna warm up half of it, and then we'll taste it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I heated this up for about 25 seconds, and the meat, the redness kind of went out of it. So let's try the cold side. Well, it definitely doesn't taste like a McDonald's cheeseburger, but overall it doesn't have that bad of a flavor. It's got a lot of ketchup. I can taste the onions on it. I can taste the cheese, and the meat kind of tastes like the old hamburgers you used to get in high school back in the 70s. I know a lot of you probably not that old, but it says it's 42% beef. Probably the other 58% is soybean, but it was still pretty good. So this is the side we warmed up. So let's give it a try. So it tastes exactly the same as you would imagine, except for it's warm, but it tastes a lot better being heated up. And I think that's going to be it for the cheeseburger in the can. Special thanks to Nathan's MRE for sending me the burger. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. I think I'm going to warm this side up so that it'll all be heated. But overall, I'd give this burger probably about a 6.5. But it's good enough. I'm hungry. It's just past lunchtime and I haven't had lunch yet. So I'm going to finish it off. And that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com. You can't get this burger, but you can get the trekking burger off the website. Thanks for watching.